We're now going to look at the Modify tools.
So now we go to the Modify button, which then brings up a similar number of dialog boxes to edit. So the first one is Zone Manager. So if you have a number of spaces, if they are added to zones, which you know in Revit you can amalgamate, put two spaces together and make a zone, all we need to do is to generate it, click on Zone, and then drag and drop spaces onto them. Let's do that again. So drag my space. There we are. And then there. Okay, that's really a little bit more difficult than it first seemed. Once we've done that, save and finish, and then we go to the elements. And if you remember what I said earlier was it would detect all the element types that are in the model, and you can see that they're highlighted. So when I picked them, I picked duct accessories, but it's detected that there aren't any duct accessories, no insulation, no duct linings, so it's only got the element types that are in the project itself. So what we can do is say select all, and then we can click on finish. Okay, so the final part of the process then is to choose what information that we want to put into these schedules, and you can see that it's divided into the different Cobie types. So we've got facility, space, type, component and system, and you can then choose which of these parameters or fields that you want to add to them. But I'm just going to say let's add them all. You can then take them out if you want to by just saying selecting the blank next to facility name, or put it back, project name, and so on. Okay, we'll take out replacement cost, say for example. Okay, so we set those up, and now we're ready to finish again. And immediately you'll see that it populates what it can in all the schedules, but you'll see that there's still quite a lot of information that isn't added, and also you'll see that there's probably quite a lot of information there that it's showing that we don't have and we don't want to put in at this stage. So it's just like editing any other schedule. You can go to the schedule editing property dialog box, select the fields and say, right, with all these fields that are here, which a lot of them are not applicable, let's just select a number of them like that, hold the shift key down, and we'll take them out. Okay, let's do that again. I shouldn't have selected that button, but we'll just do that a second time. So it was from there all the way down, and it's the across arrow button. So that reduces it dramatically. Okay, and so now we've got the ones that we want. If we click on OK, we have a much lesser list of the information that we can want to export out. And also what you can do with this is that you can save this as a schedule template that you can import in, so you don't have to run through the process, because it's got the cut down version of it. Then you can just import it in as a schedule into subsequent projects as well. Okay, so we go about filling those in, but just to save a bit of time, I've opened one already, so let's go and switch to another file. And if we go back to our schedules, you can see all the information is filled in like so. That's great.